Bioflavonoids. Bioflavonoids are the colorful pigment in vegetables and in fruit, and I highlight veggies more so than fruit because a lot of people with mold toxicity have problems with fruit. Either having too many carbs will grow more yeast and they get more of a fungal burden, or they have fruit sensitivities. Maybe some molds are growing on that fruit, like apples can grow a mycotoxin called patulin. So you can see these weird fruit allergies, and that can be related to your moldy building exposure. So I highlight veggies just because they're going to be in general a lower carb source of these bioflavonoids. And so what are bioflavonoids? That's the whole rainbow of colors. That's going to be all the way from the purple to the red. So let's go through them. Let me just back that up. So the bioflavonoids that are specific for ochratoxin displacement are in the orange color band. And that's going to do the best job according to animal studies. Now, this is not human studies. I'm always in the place where I'm taking animal and putting it to human because we don't have the studies, the clinical trials for humans. So orange color bands. Hey, Lisa, nice to see you. And that is what? Astaxanthin, zeaxanthin, beta carotene, also vitamin A, but vitamin A can be a little problematic and because we can accumulate it. It's the fat soluble version of beta carotene. Beta carotene is the water soluble version of vitamin A. So it's safer to take a beta carotene supplement. Vitamin A, because we can bioaccumulate, that can actually hurt the liver. So you need to be monitoring it. If your doctor has you on vitamin A, make sure you're checking your vitamin A stores.